Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your Mac to macOS Tahoe safely, smoothly, and without losing any of your files. This process takes some time, so grab a coffee and follow along carefully to avoid downtime or upgrade errors. Let's jump right in. First, let's make sure your Mac is ready. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, go to About This Mac, then Storage. You'll need at least 49 GB of free space for the upgrade to succeed. If you're low on space, delete unneeded files or move them to an external drive or cloud storage before continuing. Next, make sure you have a full backup. You can use Time Machine with an external drive or your organization's backup service like Intiva Backup Manager. It's really important not to skip this step. Your backup protects your data if anything goes wrong. Disconnect all external devices except your power cable and Ethernet cable if you use one. Remove USB hubs, external drives, printers, and displays, as these can interfere with the installation. Open Mac Manage to check for updates and ensure your Mac and all software are ready for the Tahoe upgrade. Click Check for major updates. If the upgrade doesn't start automatically, a software update window might appear. Ignore the large Upgrade Now button and instead click the More Info link under Also Available. There you'll find macOS Tahoe listed. Restart your Mac before beginning the installation to clear any background processes and prepare your system for the upgrade. Once that's done, open your Applications folder and launch Mac Manage. Search for Install macOS Tahoe. When it appears, click Install. Confirm when prompted. You may see the pop-up appear behind other windows, but you'll know it's there if the Mac Manage icon bounces in your dock. Your Mac will start downloading the 17 GB installer. While you can technically keep working, it's best to close other apps so the download and installation go smoother and faster. Once the download finishes, Mac Manage will prepare your Mac to restart. When prompted, click Restart Now. If File Vault is turned on, you'll be asked to enter your password before the restart begins. During the upgrade, you'll see a black screen with the Apple logo and a progress bar. Don't turn off your computer or close the lid. This step can take up to 2 hours, and your Mac may restart several times. If you're prompted to log in during the process, just enter your password and let it continue. After everything is done, you'll return to your desktop now running macOS Tahoe. Click the Apple logo, select About This Mac, and confirm that the version says macOS Tahoe. Open your apps to make sure everything works properly, especially Microsoft Office or any work tools. Reconnect your external devices one by one to make sure they function correctly. If something seems off, restart your Mac once more. If your Mac freezes or takes more than 2 hours, contact your IT service desk or support team. Don't power it off unless they advise you to do so. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Mac to Tahoe. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.